Hey everyone, in this video I'll be comparing the original Apple Magic Mouse versus the Series 2 Apple Magic Mouse 2, which came out in October of 2015. And just for reference, I had already done individual video reviews of both of them. Make sure you check out my channel. The links to those videos will also be as thumbnails at the end of this video. But just looking at the two, I'm trying to hide the difference between which one is which. At a glance, if you look at the top and the sides, you really can't tell which one is which until you look at the bottom. And it becomes very clear because the original Apple Magic Mouse is powered via two AA batteries, whereas the new Series 2 mouse is recharged using the Apple Lightning cable. So that's really the key difference between the original and the refreshed one. That, and if you see a space gray Magic Mouse, it's definitely the Series 2 that was released a little bit later. But if you want that color, that definitely would cost a premium. So in this video, I'll just go over the nuance differences between the two and ultimately decide if the price jump from the original to the new one is worth it or not. So the battery design is really the key difference between the two. Functionality is identical. As I said before, the form factor is pretty much the same. Even down to the weight is almost identical. That means you still have that real low profile mouse that connects seamlessly to your Apple computers. And all of the multi-touch gestures are still there. So let's go ahead and talk about the batteries on these. So the original one, like I said before, takes two AA batteries, which is pretty handy in terms of it is very easy to buy batteries real cheap and swap them out once it's dead. On the other hand, the Apple Magic Mouse 2 is rechargeable using Lightning. So at some period of time, you're going to have to, stop using the mouse and have to plug it in this awkward location on the very bottom, which is not very functional, but they really wanted to keep the same slim profile, which I can totally understand. So in a sense, some people might argue that the battery design of the original is a little bit better because it's easy to just swap out AA batteries, which are widely available, and then you don't have to wait a long period of time to recharge as the Apple Magic Mouse 2 would have to do. Although the Magic Mouse 2 is out of commission when it's charging, however, it only takes about 2 minutes to get a full day's worth of battery life out of the Magic Mouse 2, which I think is a very short amount of time to be sitting waiting for your mouse to recharge for it to last for that long. So then it comes to the aspect of battery life. Both of these have really great standby time. It's really hard to judge between which one lasts longer, but it's something that you don't really pay attention to when it's low battery. When you get that notification on your Mac saying that your mouse is low battery, you simply will want to replace the battery or recharge it anyways. So battery life is definitely not a concern. Standby time is roughly the same, I think, for both of them. If you don't use it for long periods of time, it's still able to hold a charge very well. Of course, that's going to be dependent on the batteries for the Series 1, but I can definitely vouch for the standby time for the Series 2. Finally, the very small difference between the original and the Series 2 is that the original actually has an LED light to indicate when it's turned on and receiving power, whereas the Apple Series 2 one doesn't have that. It's a really minor difference. I mean, you can tell if it's powered properly, if it actually connects to your computer or not anyways. So that aspect probably wouldn't be factored into your purchase, but I just found that a strange omission for the new series. So now the question is, if you're debating between which Apple Magic Mouse to get, or if you already have the original one, should you upgrade? I would say if you have the original, there's not a particular reason for you to upgrade, unless of course you really like that space gray color. Otherwise, if you're really looking for that rechargeable feature, you can simply buy rechargeable AA batteries for real cheap. I can put a link in the description where you can buy it off Amazon. And of course, the charger for those rechargeable batteries. However, if you don't have an Apple Magic Mouse and you're considering buying one, I would definitely recommend getting the Series 2 just because I think the recharging feature is very convenient. And if you already have an Apple product, most likely you do. If you have a Mac, you probably already have a Lightning cable anyway, and it does come in the box too if you don't have one. So hopefully this comparison was helpful. Again, if you're interested in my full analysis on each of these mouse, you can check out my reviews linked currently as thumbnails at this video. And if you aren't already a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.